glass.
Can you play your card for me?
Okay.
Can you sing it?
God is coming. It's finished.
Do it again.
I like this part.
Okay, sing it this time.
I did sing it.
Okay, sing it again.
Watch I bang it on the concrete.
No, I don't want you to bang it on the concrete.
See, it's made of glass. So, who just made these?
I don't know.
I think Santa.
Oh, maybe.
He's the big guy.
Mm-hmm. The big guy, Santa.
The little guys are the elves. What does elves mean? Remember? I hope there's no bad guys.